are celebrating our annual Christmas tree lighting at Diamond Hotel Philippines, and we invited our clients, guests, and friends from the media to have this moment with us. Our theme for this year is a nostalgic Christmas, and we are focusing on making timeless memories with our guests. As part of the celebration, we have invited the Kilyawan Choir to perform. Like the previous year, our beneficiary is Better World Tondo. It's a food hub and learning center, and a few of their kids are here today to join us. Guests can expect nothing less than a grand celebration of the Yuletide season here at Diamond Hotel. We have buffets, our countdown parties, not to mention we have our holiday room stays and our Christmas goodies for sale. Diamond Hotel Philippines is inviting you to come visit our hotel and avail of our offerings for the holiday season.
Merry Christmas!